Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, hi, my name is Martha and this is Martha's Empire. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this brush set from Real Techniques. So if you want to see that, let's get into this video. Five different tools or utensils. It has 5 tools. So we have one for the blush, foundation, shadow, highlighter, plus concealer. So we're gonna unbox this. This beauty blender, and the beauty blender is kind of like used for so many things. I feel like a lot of people just with this they're able to do like a full face for their foundation, for their concealer, like almost for everything. It's a soft flexible foam, blends liquid and cream foundation into a luscious finish. Use dry for full coverage or damp for dewy glow. This is the expert brush, which is also like for your foundation, and this is also for your foundation. So where we're gonna start, let's get into this makeup situation now. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows ishy. Then we're gonna use this setting brush to blend it all out. With this foundation brush, I'm gonna spray my setting spray on it. I'm gonna make it down. To be using this Chanel Glow foundation, and it's a liquid foundation. Foundation brush is actually really nice and soft. Just like look, it's not too hard to have this lovely beauty blender. So I'm just gonna go in on top, but I think it's quite obvious. Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for So that's it. I feel like the foundation is really nicely blended out, and this foundation brush, ching ching, approved. So we're gonna go over to under eye concealer. I'm gonna go over and use this one for my concealer, because this whole makeup video I want to do it using the makeup brushes, because they're called the Everyday Essentials. So let's put them to the test. Because we mean business. All right, so let's get in and blend this concealer. I'll try and start off with this crease situation. I know it's for like eyeshadow, I'm thinking, but it's actually doing a really good job with this concealer, you know. So I'm just gonna start it out with that. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend this concealer in. Ooh. Let's go over to the other side. Whoa, this beauty blender is really the main event of WrestleMania. It blends so well and so smooth. So far, I think we've already established we're missing a contour brush in this everyday set to make it perfect. So I'm just gonna use one of like my old brushes, this one, just to like contour, and then we're gonna jump right back to the Real Technique situation. So I'm gonna go over and use this setting brush. It's the 402, that's the number 402, but it's called the setting brush, and it's used to dust on highlighting or setting powder. So as well, like, it's a multi-use. We can use it for highlighting and also for setting our under eye, which we love. It's time for the big one. Let's pick it up. Let me just tell you this. A blush brush is the best in the whole wide world. Blush and like powder, they're just so big. Just hug your face. Look. It just feels so nice. So I'm gonna go over and set my entire face. Again, we're missing a foundation brush. So I'm gonna go, a powder brush, sorry. So I'm gonna go over with my old brush and just set my face. Last but not least, I'm gonna go over and highlight with this one. I'm gonna go over and use on the other side. I use this side for my powder, so I'm gonna use this side to highlight. I'm not gonna do much with my eyes. Probably do something simple, something warm, and then we're gonna close off this video, right? Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video. So this is the look. We decided to go for red vibes, you know, just to match the energy. I think the palette is approved. I like the why do I keep on saying palette? I love the set of the Everyday Essentials. Of course, we're missing like a couple of brushes, like a foundation brush and a contour brush would be nice to have. However, I don't think it's much of a big deal for the price. You're getting 5 tools. In general, I really do love their brushes. Real Techniques, 10 out of 10. I'm definitely gonna get more brushes from their brand. I think they're so colorful, so playful, and then so cute, and the quality as well. They do the job. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. So that's it for me. See you in my next one.